Welcome back to Tool Guy 82. It's been a while since I did a video, and I apologize. I've been busy. This is the first time I have done one on my phone, so we will see how this turns out. We're going back to look at the Cordwood saw. It's been a while since you guys have seen it. I've had some questions in my between personal people and stuff that have asked to do an update on it because of what I've done. So here, we'll show it to you and then we'll get on to sawing. Alright, so here is the saw. We ended up having to put a new motor on. The old motor blew up. We have a 212 Predator from Harbor and Freight. If you remember from the old video, it was on that side. I had to move it to this side due to the exhaust and everything being on there because it got in the road with the belts. So we'll move back here. I also put a bolt there to stop the table from having so much buckle in it. I put a table over here on this side. And I got a new blade. Let's move it up here and we'll show you. This one here has a carbide tooth blade. Cuts a little better than the old one. Of course, right after I said about the blade being sharp, I overworked it and stalled the blade there, as you can see. I had to wait for the blade to speed back up. I have to get a belt tensioner built and put on there because it's the belt that's slipping. But as you can also see, the large size of wood, and it is still cutting very well. You'll see throughout the video that the smaller stuff cuts very, very fast. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. got ourselves a load sitting here, ready to go.
All right, guys, have a good one.